Welcome, my name is Maria. Olá, bem-vindos, meu nome é Maria. I have a series of videos where I'm going to teach you how to make these little bunnies. Very simple and quick to do. I'm going to show you how to make the bunnies and I'm going to show you how to make the little bunny bag. Tenho uns quantos vídeos onde vou-vos mostrar como fazer o coelhinho e o saquinho coelhinho. E eu nos vídeos esqueci-me de falar em português, mas é muito simples de perceber como se fazem. I also will show you how to put this in a string, so you can hang it all of them together. And I'm going to show you as well how to sew it by hand in case you don't have a sewing machine. Também vos vou mostrar como eu pus isto numa corda para pendurar e como cozer à mão em caso que não tenham máquina de costura. This is a very easy project and quick project and beautiful project to do with children. So if you want to introduce sewing to your children, this is a perfect project to do that. Este pequeno projeto é muito simples e é ideal para fazer com crianças. Se tiveres crianças e queres introduzir costura, isto é um projeto ideal. In terms of fabric, this fabric here, the lighter one, you can buy it from me. The link is below. It's a beautiful linen and cotton fabric that I use to do all my projects that I do. The other fabric I just got it off eBay. Em termos de tecido, este branquinho não é branca, mas é cru. Podes comprar de mim se estiveres na Inglaterra e o link está em baixo. O outro tecido, este aqui, comprei-o no eBay. So, that's all I wanted to say. So, let's go and make these very cute bunnies. E é tudo por agora. Vamos à aula e fazer estes coelhinhos muito fofinhos. Right, for the bunny, I got the template from Pinterest, and what I did, I put very thin fabric, not very thin, but thin enough so I could see the lines. I put it over the screen and I drew the lines all around, okay? It can be a little bit fiddly, but you can make it. And then what I did is I passed it onto cardboard so that I've got the template to use many times, okay? So I've got the template, then what I do, I put the template in the fabric and draw the line around. And then what you do, you put the other fabric, if you're doing it two fabrics like I did here, two different fabrics, so you put the other fabric on below, you put the fabric below like so, and then you cut through both fabrics. Okay, so now you have both fabrics, and now what you do, you go and sew it around. Either you can do this by hand, sew it by hand, or in the sewing machine. Remember to leave a gap either on the side or maybe in the bottom. I think I like to leave it on the side, a gap, so that you can fill it with some stuffing. All right, so let's go and sew this all around and leave a gap. So it's all nice and secured all around. There's a gap there. And now this is where I'm gonna put the stuffing. Little by little to reach those corners there. Right, when you are satisfied with the stuffing, then what we have to do now is to close the gap there. So go back to the sewing machine and close the gap, or you can close it by hand. So now that the gap is closed, you're going to get this kind of scissor shears. And just going to go very close to the line, as close as you can without going through the stitches. Now the pen around here will come off with heat, so I'm going to put some heat around here with the iron to get rid of these lines. So now the pen is gone, and now what is left to do is the little bow. So let's make a bow. I like to use string. And if you have two different fabrics, then you need to choose which side you want. And there it is, a little beautiful and very cute bunny. And you can make many of them, as many as you want. And in the next video I'm going to show you how to make the little bag with the ears. And that's all for now. Don't forget to share, to like, and leave me a comment. Bye bye now.